Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today we want to do WTT or Weekend English Talk, Teach Talk. Weekend Teach Talk, sorry. First I want to introduce myself. My name is Kenzie from Niscala, and I'm as the host in this WTT. So, for the speaker, can you introduce yourself and times is yours.
Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, my name is Muhammad Gavyn Shaquille Al Rafeyfa, and right now I want to tell you or teach you all guys about game scratch. I will make like a catching fruit. So without taking any time, let's take a do it. Okay, okay, uh, here. Okay. First, for make a catching fruit, we need to delete this sprite. And then we type sprite in here. We can search bowl. Nah, this. And then we bring the ball in here. Can become minus 125. And then in even we can tag when we move like click it. And then since this go to 0. Since the x becomes 0, we can take go to x go to y. And then like this. And then show to. Now, after that, we can choose background in here. Choose background. It's the background. It's up to you. Now, because it's the background not really important. Because we use the ball will take fruit, namely catching fruit. We will use background this background. I think is cool. And then we need the fruit first. Now we can take the fruit in here. We just take one. If you want to add, it's okay, but the first thing we need only one. Okay, apple. Take apple in here and hide. There is button in here. We can show and hide. Just click this button and it will hide. And then in here the bowl we can tag forever. So forever is me will not stop. And then we can take if then like this if then and take in here if then key space present we change this because it become uh right right arrow, right arrow in mouse, yeah, like that. And then take move 10 or move 5 if you want more slow. And then take left and then change the move become minus. So the point you need if done key right arrow and then move 5 step. After that, you can copy or duplicate key left arrow preset -5. And if we click this button, we can control this ball. If right, you just click right arrow, left arrow. Okay, okay. Now, if we back, if we click that this button, this green flag, we can the ball. I mean, the ball will go to the x with 0 and then mean minus 100 also minus 125 I mean. Okay, you understand this guys? Okay, the next thing we will do, we go to the apple and then we take this when green flag click it. Nah, so For what the apple is for fruit will fall, and then the ball will take that apple. Right? It's on easy. Okay, first thing we need to do is hide and show. We just keep in here, and then we can take weight. We can put the height in here, and then we can take weight. You can like pick random in here. What is pick random? It will pick 1 until 10 or 1 until 2 or 1 until, it's up to you. It depends on the word in here. Okay. After that, we can take this, not like, but go to X, go to Y. But in here, we can take pick random. We must take pick random again, and then we must show first this. We can make this size more small, or you can change the bowl size. Maybe 50. Yes, maybe it's enough. Yeah, maybe enough. All right. After that, the bowl, the apple, we go to back in the coding, and then take this. We just search the X location. All right. From minus 200. I mean, to 220 until minus 220. If we spawn, because it's still white, height, it will random spawn exposition. Nah, like that. And then, because this wait, it will wait. Then wait 1 or 2 seconds, and then we'll spawn the fruit. Now, for the Y position, we can put in here, and then we can check the Y position. Now, the Y position is 100, 118, 181. We can try in here 191. If can, so it's the maximum. That's okay. That's no problem. Nah, and then we can take forever in here. Nah, this with if then. Okay. And then forever we can take change Y. Change Y. I will just this with for, so like this. Like that. Oh yeah, I forgot. In here we cannot change. Oh, it's okay. Nah, and then after that we can text if then, and then if then touching bowl, it will be take this again, and then put in here with height. Need this too. No, like this. Tag and put in here. Wait, guys. Or okay, let's we continue. After that, we make a variable in here. Change variable become point or score. It's up to you, or point. Now, we make, and then we can show this variable. At the first, we would set my variable and change the variable become score. And then for that, we take change my variable become score. Score here now. Change by 1. We put in here. Now, so can we guess? The point will at, we can get point if the ball get that fruit. Maybe the ball is too slow. Nah, like this. Nah, then we can make it more fresh. Maybe for 12. And this, don't forget to change to. Nah, that's good. All right. All right. After that, we copy this one, and then you can delete this change score by one delete. And then we can put in here, and then change this, and then we can take this. Can take this and then check this function. We can this and search the Y position. Now it will spawn again from up. Because why? Because if the Y position it's more than minus 179, it will spawn again from up. Now, so this is a simple catching fruit. Now, but we want more complex and more at the ending. Okay, it's okay. If you want the fruit, if the fruit fall, you get minus. It's okay. We can delete this one and then change the score by minus one. Minus yes. So you can see the score. The score will down from 1 to 0 if we not get the fruit. But if we get the fruit, the score will add. Okay. Now, right now, I want to add other fruit. So what should I do? You may think we will add a new fruit in here. Now, yeah, you can do it, but there is something more good. Now, we can duplicate this one, duplicate apple. We go to the custom and then we choose a custom again. And then you can search fruit in here, maybe fruit, banana, orange, or others. So I want to add watermelon. Watermelon like this. You can change this become maybe 60. Okay. Maybe for the spawn more long, it's okay. If you want more spawn more long, can change the big random in here, and then don't forget to change it in here too. Become from 2 until 2. You can change for maybe for watermelon because it's more expensive, right? You can change to the score more good. And then it will more fresh. You can change it become 12. Nah, like this. Nah, then it will there is watermelon for and it more fresh. Then apple. All right. But you, if we not get the fruit, the score will minus. Nah, and then maybe you don't like minus or how we can go to later. Take when green fruit. Click it. You can take forever and then take if then else I mean, and then we take this in here just to 0. Yes, and take score in here and set my set in here, put in here score. So if the score is minus, it won't become minus. Then forever become 0. Usually game like this, guys. Now, but if we take the fruit, we'll increase the score. Now, right now I want to make like some bomb or others. Now, you can copy this one. Don't forget to change the name watermelon. All right. After that, we can copy this one and then we go to this custom again. We check something maybe bomb. If there is no, we can search others maybe. Uh, Maybe you can search polar bear, maybe polar bear with full D. And then I will edit this first, like this. Now, can change this become 3 until 4, this 2, 3 until 4, or 3 until 4. Now, in here, we can delete this change score and put again, and then change score become -1. So if you take the polar bear, your score will minus. Yeah, no, like that. Because we won't take polar bear, right? All right. So I want to make lose and win. How? Nah, because we used forever, not repeat until. So actually, we can. But if we want bedrock, it's more hard. Nah, because I want to search the hard one, so I will not use bedrock. So first thing we need to do, when green file click it, we add this and then switch bedrock to chalkboard. And then after that, go to here. We can delete this one and then we make bedrock again with maybe yellow, really like this, and tell you win. Like this, for example, and then we can take in here too. We make variable again in here, win. And you can rename this and D, maybe. And then uncheck list, and then we set ending in here become none. And then in here we take this coil and then change to win. And then take in here ending, put in here, and then we can switch bedrock become bedrock one. This icon. This bedrock one, and then if not, we can check like this. Come cardboard. Okay, can take we can make again actually like this. I'll make this. No. All right. With that we can go to bowl, and then we take can take height in here. We must take this again, and then we take acquire to win, and then take ending in here height if else like this. No. So we can duplicate this, get duplicate this if then just throw away this if then and then put in apple, put in watermelon, and put in polar bear. And then go to apple, and then we take this forever change. Nah, just put in here, and then we can put in here, and then put in here. Yes, like that. Now, so how to make the if we win? In this game, we cannot lose. Yeah, because there is this, so we can lose. If you want to make lose, we can delete this and then make again if score minus blah 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 blah, so broadcast lose. But in this game, I only add win. Okay, you can take this again. If you score more than 10, score more than 10. So in here we can change this for ending and then change to win. Okay, just wait. can play your game. Nah, like this. If you score 11, you will win. Okay, if you will score become 9, and maybe I think if you would score if 10 will win, you can test this for 9. So if the score more than 9, you will win. Yeah. Nah, for we maybe we need to more explanation before the game, right? So we need to make a spark game. Then we can write here get 10 score or win. This maybe for example, I mean 90 ball. Sorry, 10 score for win. Here, then we can make it more big, and then chances become 0 in here. Yeah, and then you can type this, and click it, and then it will you can take height and show, and then we can take weight too, and then we go to this looks, and then take set and change. Okay, first thing we duplicate the set and then change this become ghost 0, and then take repeat 10 times. We need height first. I mean duplicate height, and then duplicate show too. In here I think we don't need height in here, and then we can change height become not height, I mean it goes and minus, and then in here change to minus minus 1 minus yes, I mean little minus 1100, I mean, so it'll be like this. If you want to more slow, you can change this 20 and then 20 and then 5 like that. And then we can take weight in here, then change this, take this, and then 5 like this, and then height. No, like this. Now, and maybe for 2 seconds, just 2 seconds. Now, that's more good. And then we can take maybe for don't 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 catch don't catch. Yeah, report maybe for the this. Nah, in here, okay, nah, can play. So let's play. Get 10 without like polar with. All right. This is so hard game, man. The hard game. Okay. My score? Yes, my score already 11 or more than 10. Then I win. All right. So, uh, maybe that's all from me for my game. Thank you, guys. So, time is your Kenzie Javas for closing this.
Okay, thank you for Gavyn for the game catching fruit, and it's a amazing game. And I think you all can make like what Gavyn make, and maybe that's all from us. Thank you for for watching this WTT. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.